the range and slab discount schedule, and then we the account, like the portion on the account.
Yes, so we have seen range discount and slab discount.
Slab discount.
We can create both of them on amount or on percentage.
Correct.
And today we will see how we go ahead and edit the count here. So we were looking at advanced settings over here. So on slab-based discount, what I have done, I have done an override behavior. I click this pencil icon over here. So either I can do it on all of the tiers which are there, or if I want only my sales team to edit the current tier, I can specify that. And this particular discount, I have, these are my tiers over here, and it is on this particular product. That is a tablet case. So if we go over here, these are the tiers. And now what I'll open is, I'll open up a particular code. Click on edit lines. And we'll go and add that particular product over here. So I have added that product, and based on my discounts, I will choose anyone over here. So I will say the quantity is say 15. I'll do a quick save. Click on save it first. And now if you go see, so I can only see that particular discount here where my quantity is falling. Just because I have done current tier, so I can only see that particular tier, that is 11 to 15, available for me to edit. So I can go and click. So I don't want to give a discount of 5. I change it to say 8. Update it and click on save. So you'll see that the price gets updated accordingly. To calculate, and then I'll hit on save. So when I hit on save, what happens over here is, if I go back onto my discount schedule, I will see that one more slab discount has been created. If I open this particular one, so we will see that these fields are being populated. My original discount is over here, the one which I had created initially, and I can see that the discount tiers are there. If I open this one, which has been created after I have edited, I can see that it will only show the initial one tier and the one which I have edited. So instead of 5, I have done 8. That is what it is showcasing over here. If I go back onto my discount, we can see it is done for which account, what was the code, what is the code line, and it also shows the original discount schedule. So it is, these fields are being created for us to check at a later stage on this particular code on which quote line the sales team has done an edit. If I go on to click on the quote lines, you will see this is my quote line, which is mentioned over here. So on that particular quote line, the sales team has provided us an extra discount up and above what was already.
So, Vinay, this is just getting populated automatically. Like, is there like any settings or like how
No,
does it?
everything gets populated automatically. Once you go ahead and click on save, these fields will get populated automatically. You don't need to do anything.
Okay.
An entire new discount schedule is being created with the populated deals of whatever is being changed. Now, if I go back over here on my product, so you will see that I have provided my discount schedule over here. So whenever we are providing a discount schedule, I can choose a range discount or a slab discount on the discount schedule field. But if it is a range discount, it can on term discount field, we can only update the range discount. It can not be a slab discount updated over here.
Yeah. Okay. Yeah. So this is more for like subscription, right?
Yes, more for subscription.
Yeah.
If we are creating, if we have created a term discount and on my particular product, if I go into related and I have a cost price instead of a list price, that is my pricing method over here is cost. My pricing method here is cost. And I want to provide a discount on my cost price, then I should have my discount schedule over here. That is on cost schedule. So I can provide a discount over here. I can choose either a slab discount or a range discount, whatever I wish like. Now we can see if I go ahead and choose another product. Say for example, I'll choose this. And click on related. So we can provide a discount which is at my product level over here. I can also provide discount which is at option level. If I choose a field option level, I can provide the discount over here as well. You can see the discount schedule. I can directly provide a percentage, I can directly provide amount, I can directly provide a discount schedule as well. Whatever I have taken, I can do that. So basically, if I go and say on my Apple charger series, if I choose something different, Apple Watch, not charger. So on my Apple Watch, I go ahead and provide a discount. Of slab discount. Okay. Now I go ahead and create another discount. Say slab discount that is percent for Apple Watch. Now it is for percent. And I click on save. I've given a descriptive name so that I know what I have, why I created that, and whatever is the discount amount over here. You'll see it is coming in percentage because I have taken in percentage. This I have taken in currency, so it is coming in rupees over here. So I'll say 10%, 21 to 31, 21, 15%, and 31, 20, 20. So this I have done. Over here also I'll make some changes. Okay, I'll keep it as it is. Now I have created a discount which is for on Apple Watch. If it is an option, over here I'll change this. This is amount for Apple Watch product. Okay. Now if I go over here, so on my Apple Watch series, I have a discount which is for product. If I go on to option, that is my Apple Watch option. This is charger, sorry. This is my Apple Watch option. So on my option, what I'll do, I'll provide a different discount. I'll choose this one. Now what will happen if I go on to a particular code, click on edit lines, go on to a code, and I'll go add the product. So I'll look for this product. So you can see that the price is 1000. If I go back to my product, so this is my tier for the product. So I choose product as 15 quantity. I take 15 quantities, you'll see what is the price is. You can see I have got 25 less because if I come back over here, it is reducing 5 for every 1 unit.
Mm-hmm.
After till 10, there is no discount. From 11 till 15, 5 units, 5 into 5, 25. So it has got reduced. Now if I go and add one more product, this time I'll add this product, watches. So I will choose to choose this one. Okay. So now over here, we will see that this is my standalone product. If I change the quantity to 15, my price should update. Now I have the same product as an option for this one. Over here also, sometimes it takes time to flow the information as well. Apple watches. Let's see if it is now working. Okay. Give me a moment. Over here it is editable. An option. Marking it as editable. It should allow me to edit. So I just need to show you how difference it makes when we are selecting the discounts at different level. And what discount level you select, it what it does, it overrides the discount which is being selected at other places. So if we choose a discount which is at our product level, and if you choose a discount at option or features level, it will allow us to go ahead. So now I think it should work.
Sorry, so which one overrides, like if it is option or feature level, that overrides the product level?
So whatever discount schedule we choose at product level, it is at the lowest. Then comes features level discount. The discount schedule which we choose at feature level, it will override the discount which we have chosen at product level. And whatever discount we choose at option level, it will override the one which is being selected at features level.
Okay, so it's product, feature, and option. Okay, that's the hierarchy, right?
Yes, product. Yes. So now I need to just configure it back. So if I choose this product and choose it 15 over here, it will take some time to load. Say if I choose 15, product rules are there. Just deactivate. Now it should go. Yes. So if you see, so over here you can see the product discount which is there. It is showing me this much. It is only reducing 25. But if I have the product which is under option for same quantity, it is reducing 500. That is the difference. So when I'm selecting a certain product which is under bundle, it will override whatever discount I have at a product level, and it will take this one. Now if I go and do one more discounting, which is at my feature level. So I have watch series over here. I can provide one more discount over here. So if I say I will do one more discount, that is a slab discount. And I'll do this at feature. And I'll do it amount. And I have something for amount over here, so I'll do different ones. So say 1 to 11, that is 1 to 11. I'll give a discount of 100. Then 11 to 21, 20, discount of 150. 21 to 31, 31, it is 200. and 31. It's 250. Over here also, let's make some change. I cannot make changes on the amount. Okay, we'll leave it as it is. So now I have one more discount, which is for my feature level. So I'll go on to my feature option watches over here and I'll apply that discount schedule. Now if I go back to my code and add the product, so ideally what it will do is it will still show the same. You can see. So now my Apple watches, it is showing 15, but the price differs. This is the discount schedule which is there. So 15 for 5 quantities, 10% is 500. So where it will come, if I go on to this one, five into 150, 750. If I delete everything, do quick save and add my product. You can see the discount which has been provided is this one, which is for my, what do you say, option 1, because my option discount will override the one which I have it at feature level. If I remove the discount from my option, if I remove this, so now I have two discounts. One is at the feature level, the other one is at the product level. So now it should apply the discount which is at the feature level. I just remove this, do quick save, and add the product once again. Now you will see it is showing the discount. So if I go back over here, for 15 units, or 15 units, that is for 10 units it will show 100, sorry, 100 into 10, it will multiply, that is 1000, and for 5 it will do with 150, that is 750, so makes it as 1750. So 15 less 15,000 minus 1750 comes to 13250. So this is my discount which is at feature level. It is not taking the discount which is at product level.
Product level. Okay. Yeah.
It will not take this discount. So this is how my discounting works. I can
Okay.
apply my discount at product, feature, and option. The discount at option level will override all the discounts.
Mhm.
Any doubts, any questions with this?
No, clear.
Okay. So now we will be looking at amendments and renewals. So basically what an amendment is, so in our CPQ lifecycle, once you have agreed to buy certain products at a certain price point, they would be sending you a contract which is legally binding. You are going to buy products at certain price. At a later stage, you say that, okay, I had placed an order for say 10 laptops, but now I need 15 more. That means you are amending your contract after a contract has been created. That is amendment. You are adding more products to it. So if I go back over here, say I'll open up a particular code. So this is my code over here. And I will click on edit lines to add some products. I think I already have. So I have added two products. One is a tablet, and then the other one is my writing kit, which is a subscription product. So I'll just go and show you the products which I have there. So this is a product which is perpetual product, one time purchase. So there is no subscription pricing, nothing, and it has only one price point over here. If I move to my next product, which is a writing kit, that is a subscription product. So I have a subscription pricing for 12 months, and it has a price point over here of 120. So I've added those two products over here. Now as I have one subscription product over here, what I'll do is I'll have a start date on my code. So I will say my start date is first of February, and it is for 12 months. And I'll click on calculate. You'll see that the prices are being updated automatically. Why it is showing a lesser price over here? I think there's some. I will say I'll do something different. What is the code over here? I'll start it from next year and to 18. And this is for my friends. And I'll hit on file. It's cheap, one quantity only. So on my particular code, I have added two products. I have put a start date because this is a subscription product. Whenever we are creating an amendment, there should be a start date on my code. And I have mentioned, like I can mention an end date or either I can mention a subscription term. So for 12 months it is there. And then I'll go ahead and click on save. So once I save, I have my code lines. Over here, and I can see that. So now what I want is, I want that there should be an amendment. So I have my opportunity. I can amend it from two ways. So I'll go ahead and open up the opportunity. My opportunity over here, I have it already. I will just remove that. So once we open up the opportunity, before we create a contract, we need to make sure that my opportunity is on closed one state. If it is not, we can just change the stage from either we can do it from here or we can do it from the ribbon which is at the top. So it is already there on closed one. Now what I'll do is I'll go ahead and then we have a checkbox which is for contracted. I'll click on it, check the checkbox and click on save. Once I click on save, on in the background, the system will automatically generate a contract for it. If I click do refresh, we'll see a contract is created. Now, if I open up this particular contract, so now my contract was created. Later, the buyer comes and says that he wants to amend the contract. So we can see that we have a button over here to amend the contract. But before we go ahead and amend, we'll see what we that is this particular product. So this is a default subscription. Over here also we can see that I have a subscription for this particular product, which is on this particular quote line. This is my start date. This is my end date. We have a contract account and what else? With one quantity. If I go back onto my contract, I will see only the subscription product and nothing else. But when we see on my quote lines, there were two products. One is the one-time purchase product, that is tablet, but you cannot see the tablet over here on my contract. So where do we look for it is, I need to go onto the account. So account which is being tied to my code. If I open my code, I see the account which is this one. If I click it open.
And this will be an asset, right?
Yes, so this will be an asset. If I go on to related, so there are a lot many there, which I had done previously. This is which one? 53. So I'll remove the list. I'll keep it as just. So you can see that I have, what is my latest one? This is my asset. I've got it one quantity. So I can see that I have one asset created, which is on my account, and subscription is there on my contract. Now, if I have to go and amend my contract, so if I click on amend, what will happen is a new screen will open up, and it will allow me to amend. So once I click on amend, I will be on the same screen for code line editor. So on the code line editor, you will see that it is only showing me the subscription product, and it shows me the start date and end date. But whenever we are amending, we can go ahead and change start. We should not make any changes to the end date. So say my contract started on 1st of February and I want to make an amendment, say on 1st of April. So 1st of April, I want to make an amendment. So over here.
Sorry, Vinay, one question, right? You said that we can't
Yes.
change the end date.
Ideally, we should not be changing our end date.
Okay.
Because whenever the amendments are done, it is only done after the start date has already passed by. So our start date will change for amendment of contract, but we should not change the end date because it will end at the same date. So we should not be making any changes. Now we will see that this particular
So
product.
is it more like it's not generally done, or like it's like system will
It
force
is not
like enforce
generally
any rules?
done.
Okay.
It is not generally done. Usually we should not go ahead and change that.
Mhm.
Now if we see that we have the product which was already there, if I scroll to my right, you will see that the total is showing 0. My unit price is logged, total is showing 0. My discounts is logged. So whatever this particular product which was already purchased, the prices have already been agreed, the discount, everything was agreed, so I cannot go ahead and make any changes to this. However, If I want an extra quantity, so I can update the quantity. I'll make a quantity to do. I can also go ahead and add new products. If I want another product to be added, I'll go over here. Say I want this one and select it. So I also want two quantities for this. And then I'll click on calculate. Now if you'll see that I am chosen one more extra quantity, now I can see the price over here. Why it is showing still locked? Because I've purchased this quantity and I cannot do anything extra on this. List price you will see as 120, but over here it is showing 100. This is because of the start and end date. Proration is applied. It will only calculate for the months which is there. Depending upon that, my prices are being reflected. For this particular product, which was not there previously, and I have added it, this is a one-time purchase product. So for this, proration is not applied. So 40 into 2 is 80. Any doubts up till here?
No, it's clear.
And now when I hit on save,
So Vinay, like the one thing which I don't know, right? Like this proration, right? How is it calculated? Like is there a formula or like how does it calculate this?
so proration is like system automatically does that. You don't need to do anything for that. That is one thing. If I go and basically open up a code and go to edit lines, if you are adding any product which is subscription based, what is that product? So this is a subscription based product. When I'm adding any product which is subscription based, you will see that you have added one quantity. The price is 120. That is for 12 months. If I go back over here, so you don't need to worry about prorations. It is fixed price, subscription term is 12 months. Whatever price I am entering over here, the price point which I enter, 120, it is for 12 months. Now, if I change the quantity, click on calculate, it automatically does 240, that is calculating it. If I change it to 1, it will again do 220. But if I do subscription term, so this is for 1 year. If I do 24, that is months, and if I click on calculate, you see it changes to 240. That is your proration. If I change it to 18, it will calculate for 18 months. This is for 12 months. If I click on 18, it will say 180. That is 120 plus 60 for 6 months.
So is there any
So
like
that is your
settings or
proration.
any so is there any settings or anything that we need to enable like for
No,
this
no,
calculation to
needed.
happen?
No settings required. You don't need to do
Okay, so
any
this is
settings.
like out of the box functionality, is it? Like
Out of the box functionality it is.
okay.
So now when I go ahead over here, where was I? Yes. So once I click on save, we see a new quote is being generated with an opportunity for amendment to contract. The type is amendment, and all the details will remain the same. If I open up this opportunity and close extra windows, which of them. If I open up this particular opportunity and I'll go back onto my this particular code, one 121, yes. So this is my opportunity which was there on my original code 53. So on my original code you will see that there was one code with 270, and you will see the products which is these two products. One product 150, other product 1 unit 120. Now if you go on to my amendment, you will see it is 180. Over here also you will see there are two products. So these two products were added at a later date, two quantities 40 each, so it is 80. One quantity is 100. So this is my, and if I go on to my contract, so this is the contract which we have. So it is the same one which we had at an initial stage as well. There will be only one contract. If I go back onto my account, this one. If I go on to related, still you will see the subscription, that is one. And assets are there on my account. This is my contract. Yes, over here I have my subscription. You can see. So this is the previous one which is not valid. This is the existing subscription which I have. Now if I go and make some changes onto my, this is my existing, this is my existing, this, yes, on my amendment opportunity. So this is my amendment opportunity, and what I'll do is I will change the stage to closed one. And then what I'll do is I will make a backup. Click on save. Once I click on save, I'll refresh. And now I'll scroll down. What happened? The contract intro generated. If it's the amendment contract is this only. Now if I go back onto my account and let's see what happens over there. If I go on to related, I should have new values. You will see that I have a new asset, which is this one. So earlier it was not there. Only when I have contracted it, it has come. Now if I go back to my amended contract, where it is, yes, on this particular contract as well, if I go on to related and see subscriptions, so earlier I have this one, which was started on 1st of February till 31st January. Later, I added one more quantity starting from 1st of April till end this. So this is how you can see the prorata has already applied. So the amount is showing 100. This is what happens over here. So this is all about my amendments, which I have done. Any questions up till here?
No, clear.
So if I go back to my, I'll close this account. This is my subscription. This is my contract. And this is my. So over here, I have my amendment opportunity. If I scroll down, so not an opportunity on a contract. So if I open up my contract, you will see some fields which says Salesforce CPQ amendment information. So it says amendment started. So usually whenever we are doing an amendment, it will start from the contract. Like whenever your contract is being, what your contract started, by default it starts from that date only. But if you want to change that, you can go ahead and change that. If you want to make sure that my amendment start date should be something different, so usually it is from today only whenever your contract is being logged. If you want to change, you can go ahead and specify what should be your amendment start date. And this is for your amendment opportunity stage. So whenever we are creating an opportunity, it starts from the very beginning, processing, then qualification. If you want that whenever we are doing an amendment, by default, my amendment stage should be somewhere over here, decision making, or because I don't want to do all the steps which are initially done. By default, it should be somewhere over here. So I can mark that stage. So it will be whenever an amendment opportunity will get created, it will have that particular stage only. Amendment owner, if you want that whenever an amendment opportunity is created, it should be tied to a person, to a specific person only. So we can highlight or populate that particular name over here, and it will be to that user. So right now it is saying opportunity owner, my name, but if I want it to be someone different, I can identify their name over here. Same goes if I want that my amendment should be using some different price book rather than the standard price book, I can provide the price book ID. So the amendment code will use that particular price book only. If I want my amendment opportunity to be of a different record type, so whatever record ID I could update it over here, so it will be generating from a different record ID, not a generic record ID. Same goes with renewals. If we scroll up, we will have for renewal price book ID is there, renewal opportunity ID is there, or also, so this is renewal forecast. If I check this checkbox button, my renewal opportunity will be created basically. And over here also I can identify the stage that it should be at a particular stage, should not start from processing of some whatever identifier I'll do, can do that. When my renewal opportunity is created, it will be populated over here. This is my renewal owner. So if I want to, whenever a renewal opportunity is created, it should go to a certain owner. I can specify their name. And renewal term is by default taken from whatever is the term at code level. So over here, if we see, it is 12. So it is taken 12 over here. That is by default. But if you want to make changes at a later stage, you want to say that, okay, we are renewing, but we would be going to renew, say, for only 6 months, or we will renew it for 24 months. You can go ahead and change that. Renewal per uplift is like if I want to increase my cost up and above the whatever is the price of the products, I go ahead and update that over here. And if we have any MDQ products, and if we are renewing them, I can do it desegmented, which means it will come as standard products. If I don't do that, it will come as normal segmented products as well. So here I will just check this renewal forecast and click on save. So as soon as I do that, the system will run in the background and will create a renewal opportunity. So when it creates a renewal opportunity, what it will do is it will create a code and copy the products which were there on my original code and add it to the renewal opportunity. Once that is done, the code is removed. So there will not be any code. So if I open up this opportunity, so by default it comes with the name as renewal opportunity. If I want to edit, I can edit the opportunity as well, like basically edit the name of the opportunity. So over here you can see that it is renewing. So whenever we are renewing only the subscription based products and not the products which are there for assets. So the tablet is not renewed, only a subscription based product is being renewed. So here I have that product over here. There were one quantity at the initial stage and then we later added one quantity, but over here it is showing two quantities only with that price. And you will see that there is no quote over here at this point in time. And we have a renewal contract, so it is the same contract which is there earlier. Now if I want to go ahead and I also want to, so as in when my renewal date is coming near, I want to have a code being generated for this particular opportunity. So for that, what I'll do is I will check this checkbox that is renewal quoted. So if I go ahead and check this checkbox and save it, the system will run in background and I have my code generated. So I'll just refresh it. So I should have my code ready for it. And now I can see that I have code. So this particular code is the same like what we had initially over here. And our sales team can pitch in the buyers, asking them to renew the product. Also trying to make sure that if we are able to sell some more products with whatever they have existing. And then the same procedure goes on. And then if we are able to close the deal, We will be doing it as closed one. So this is for our renewals. Any doubts, any questions with that?
No, clear.
Whatever we have completed up till now, have you got time to practice it?
No, Vinay, like I have to reserve some time because I'm just changing between projects. So, I mean, the new project is like something I have to learn there as well. So, and my health is not so good because of recovery from the virus. So, yeah,
Okay.
I haven't gotten time. So, we'll do it at the end. Yeah.
Yeah. So this is what is there for amendments and renewals. And so basically, we are done with this.
Yeah. Can you just go back to your Excel sheet once?
Yes. So we have completed this. That got completed today. We are done with discount schedules.
Mhm.
We have completed with our amendment and renewal. So we would be focusing on quote approvals, quote templates and approvals.
Okay.
So on Wednesday we will take approvals and then we complete code templates. We will see that, and then
Mhm.
we would be doing this.
Okay. So tomorrow
Prior to
there is
that,
no session. Tuesday there is no
tomorrow
session, is it?
Wednesday. Wednesday. Tomorrow means Wednesday.
Sorry, Tuesday there is
We
no
have,
session, is it?
yeah, Tuesday there is no session.
Um, okay.
Monday, Wednesday, and Friday we will have sessions. So Wednesday we will try to complete code templates and approvals. We'll
Hmm.
focus on that. But if it gets a little longer, we would be either covering either one. So what I'm basically looking at is when we have a session for say 2 hours.
Hmm.
So whatever I am providing your training, if you could do practice in that time as well, so that you are not missed behind. Because we
Hmm.
have covered
Hmm.
a lot of things and you are lacking behind. So that is
Hmm.
what I want. Say on
Hmm.
Wednesday, if you could do creation of products, that is the initial thing on our session. So first we'll either do either of the topics, and then whatever time is remaining, if you can try creating products and
Hmm.
product attributes, that so that you can also be covering, and
This Wednesday
there
I
is not
wouldn't
a
be able to
lot
do.
of
No, this
okay.
Wednesday I wouldn't be able to do it when I mean I might do it Saturday, Sunday, maybe next Monday when we have the session I can show you, but I mean I wouldn't be able to do in the working week for sure. Yeah.
Okay, 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 no problem. But we will have a session on Wednesday.